Hey, what's up guys? Darren here. I have a really exciting announcement. We just pushed a brand new release today. Now, what does this mean? Well, it means that you have some brand new and improved features to check out next time you log into ZonGuru. I'm gonna run you through what those are because there's some pretty cool stuff in here. If you want some just in-depth information about every release that we have had in the past, you just need to click on this What's New button, and it's gonna show you in order all of the brand new releases that we've come out with recently. The first is we've added a brand new column inside of Keywords on Fire called the ZG Launch. Now what this is going to show you is essentially the approximate amount of sales that you'll need to make on a daily basis to stay on page one for those keywords. So you can see the column here. It's going to show you how many daily sales you need to, for instance, rank on page one for yoga mats versus yoga mat. Really good information to have because it allows you to understand, again, which keywords you want to target, especially in those early stages of listing optimization. Now, by default, this item might not be checked inside of your ZonGuru account. So what you need to do, just to double check that you have that column checked, is you go over to Keywords on Fire, and then you'll go to View and analyze the results from your session. And you need to make sure that you go to the table settings here. It's just this little gear icon. And you'll see here that competitor positions and ZG launch are not selected by default. You just click those options and it'll appear right here in the table. So it's a really cool new feature. And it kind of leads into our next feature, which is, say listing optimization is just not your thing, you're not an expert at it, and you want to hire a service to help you with it. Well, we have a partnership with Page One. These are the guys over in Florida that just know everything about PPC and listing optimization. Keith over there is a friend of ours, and they have a great business with professionals that literally write listing copy every single day. They're absolute pros, and you can find them easily inside of Keywords on Fire by just clicking on this button here. So next up, you'll notice that we have added the Business Dashboard Bundle add-on. Now this is really cool because it allows you on the starter plan to get access to the business dashboard, your orders, and your products as a bundle for just $15 a month. Now this is perfect if you're a new seller and you're looking to dive into your business analytics without upgrading to business. To check what that bundle will cost in relation to your subscription, all you need to do is click on Connect and then go over to Subscription. Go to Change My Subscription. And then you'll notice here, if we're on the starter plan, you can see the Business Dashboard Bundle. You just flip it on and change your subscription. It's as simple as that. Hope you're excited. We have 2 more cool features to update you on. Now, the next one is very exciting, especially for you ZonGuru experts out there, and you guys that have been collecting all of the ZonGuru badges. We've got a brand new badge waiting for you inside of your ZonGuru account. All you need to do is go down into the traffic optimization section here and click on the beacon badge. It's brand new. And you're going to go ahead and try to unlock that to gain access to exclusive content and a brand new badge to add to your collection. And this brings us to one of our last features, which is something that people have been asking about for quite some time. It's a great feature, especially if you're in that listing optimization phase, you're thinking about the best keywords for your listing. You now have the ability to import the keywords from your session directly into the keyword tracker tool. It couldn't be easier to use, and it just makes that seamless connection between all of the different keywords that we have even more complete. So you're going to see here the Add to Keyword Tracker button. What you need to do is just click on, just say you can click on individual keywords or you can select them all and click Add to Keyword Tracker. And then you enter the ASIN that you want these keywords to be tracked for, and it brings it perfectly over into the keyword tracker tool, saving you that time so you're not having to type keywords, comma separate them, and then paste the ASIN in. It's all done through Keywords on Fire now. We hope that that provides you just that last little extra value. So now we have the keyword tracker, listing optimizer, Keywords on Fire, and our new keyword spotlight tool all working together for you. We hope that you are super stoked about this brand new release. We have so much more on the way that we're going to be sharing over the coming weeks and months. ZonGuru is just continuing to move faster, more efficiently, and the tools are just getting more strong on a daily basis. So we hope that you guys enjoy this. If you want more in-depth news about all of our releases, just make sure to click on the What's New icon and you can go ahead and dive into these in detail. Thank you so much, guys, and go ahead and jump into your ZonGuru account because these are waiting for you right now. Bye for now.